How to fix Uber Eats you are not eligible for the promotion error. In order for you to fix this issue, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your App Store and make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Uber Eats. Simply move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Uber Eats. Once you find it, head over to it. Now simply tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once the app has been offloaded, try accessing to your account by entering your login credentials. But if you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, uninstalling the app has fixed the issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Uber Eats you are not eligible for promotion error. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.